Hi guys, welcome to Sunny's SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to learn about other data types which we missed in our old videos. Here we are going to see these three data types: Picklist, Multiselect Picklist, URL. Let's see one by one. Picklist data type, nothing but a drop down data type. If you have multiple values and you want to select a single value, then you can go for Picklist data type. You have to give some meaningful name and you can give values one by one here. This list 1, list 2, list 3 will be shown in drop down and you can choose any one value in these three values. And if you click next and save, the object will be created. I will show you how it will be showing in the data entry page. This is the picklist field and these are the values. You can choose any one value and save. I will show you how it will be visible in a record page. This is the value which I have chosen. If you want to edit it, you can edit and choose any other one value. You have to note that Picklist can choose a single value only. Next data type. Now, Picklist, Multiselect. I already said Picklists are used to select one value in given values. But this Picklist Multiselect will help you to choose more than one value in the given list. Even you can select all the values in the given list. Let me explain. Click next and give some meaningful value. Similar to that Picklist, you can give list of values here. Like this you can give. I will show you how it will be displayed in data entry page. This is one big list which we have created. If you want to select all values, you can select all the values. You can click the arrow button. You can do one by one like this, or you can select multiple values and then you can do it. If you not like to add that, you can click then another arrow button to remove from the chosen one. Now I will show you how it will be shown in the record page. Here you can see list 1 colon list 2 is shown here. Here list 1 list 2 are chosen and it is separated by a semicolon. Now we go to the next data type, URL data type, which helps to store URL or links here. Click next. Here you can give some meaningful name and default value can be assigned here. I will show you how it will be shown in data entry page. It will be visible like a normal text box. You can give some URL here and click save. I will show you how it will be visible in a record page. See this, if you click here, automatically it will be redirected to another browser and the page will be loaded here. This is the use of URL. So we have seen three data types in this video. We will see other data types in next coming videos. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.